Good morning. Thank you for your interest in the law Office of James Mullaney. I'm going to spend a few minutes here talking about the advantages of an uncontested divorce. Many people would prefer to have an uncontested divorce. The advantages of an uncontested divorce are lower legal fees and a much quicker resolution to your case. The time it takes you to be actually divorced, back to being status of single and unmarried. However, just because you want an uncontested divorce, one party, doesn't mean you're necessarily going to have an uncontested divorce. It takes both parties to want an uncontested divorce. You might think, we don't have anything, there's nothing to fight over, so I want an uncontested divorce. It takes both parties to recognize that situation so that you can have an uncontested divorce. The main ingredient in an uncontested divorce is a settlement agreement. Without a settlement agreement up front, so to speak, you can't really have an uncontested divorce. If you and your spouse recognize the advantages of an uncontested divorce and can resolve all your issues, and by the issues I mean the issues pertaining to children, if you have any, child support, child custody, and visitation arrangements need to be specified, as well as your asset and debt division. Everybody has assets, whether it's just your clothes and a car, or if you have thousands and thousands of dollars invested in various financial institutions. Either one of those situations can have an uncontested divorce. It's just a matter of, can you resolve who's going to get what, and then also who's going to pay what debts. You also need to resolve the issues of, is there going to be any alimony, yes or no, and who's going to pay whose attorney's fees, if any. Very often each party will pay their own attorney's fees, and in an uncontested divorce, obviously the attorney's fees are much lower than in a regular contested case, which there's really no limit on what the attorney's fees can be. If you and your spouse are close to an agreement but can't quite get over the last hump to finalize your agreement, you might want to click on one of the other videos on the website pertaining to mediation. You might need a little help to get to the status of being able to file an uncontested divorce. Lastly, if you and your spouse are far apart but still want to avoid the great cost of potential litigation, click on the link and watch the video about mediation. That might be of some assistance as well. That is sort of an intermediate step between uncontested divorce and contested divorce. Basically, the point of a mediation before you file the divorce action is to start the negotiations to make your case uncontested. It's slightly more expensive than an uncontested divorce, but a small fraction of the cost of a fully litigated case. So if you have any questions about this or any other topics regarding your case, please give me a call at area code 904-858-4334, and I'd be happy to talk with you. And please let me know you saw the video and if you have any other questions. Thank you.